Sesikhulile manje ku last 32. Sihleli manje endlini besihlala clubhouse, besine clubhouse ngara bayibiza ngeHiscaria. So siplomile ngelanga le draw. Aya majita siyakhuluma lapho sithi hey manje ngazi bangasigaya Chiefs yazi.
Unamanga.
Siyazi bangasigaya. Angisho manje confidence high mfethu. And sifuna ukudlala nabantu asaziyo ukuthi yabo la sizositesta nathi ukuthi enhle vele siready ukudlala kule level.
Kahle. So yini mfana lento ucoach Barker anayo mdladla because it seems ukuthi ucoach Barker mfethu working with youngsters ngathi una like he can bring the best out of young players.
I was fortunate enough ukusebenza naye no uncle wakhe. I think what's common about bona boyithu ukuthi they make you believe in yourself the way you never thought ukuthi ungabeliever. Wena ku tukutuku also
The late gift.
As vum number one. Gift to introduce into ezibhaye ebholweni man. To see a player elidlala ngo left and right ungaboni ukuthi which one is weaker foot. Vele makaya ku Sundowns, some of us Buccaneers we were sad ukuthi we lost a quality player.
Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani ma South Africa mahle, sanibonani ma Africa mahle. This is yet another exciting episode. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski Ringers bafethu. Namhlanje we've got Speti guest eli strong. Sipeti guest very talented. Umchita beka Kenny Polo too much and naye bekadlala ngenyawo la ka lefty. Inyawo isandla inyawo lemfene jengo knowledge before sizomfaka chance we've got a special guest. I can't wait for ukuthi introduce but before now introduce mdladla, let me just nyenze ama sponsor wethu isponsor sethu sibe happy bafethu. This episode is brought to you by BetJets. Click the link below to register. Excuse me. Use Jabu code 11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code Jabu 10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet. Jabu 50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register bafethu. Please stay register bafethu ku BetJets. This episode is brought to you by BetJets, of course, supported by Shap Clothing Store. Kulas khona manje bafethu Tiffany Business Center Omonde. Izani nizugqoka igandaganda ubusika biyeza bafethu Shap Clothing Store silapho sishuthela la kula sikhona bafethu. Before ngizo introduce my guest, let me introduce our co-host. Njoba nazi ma JMDS amahle ukuthi it's about triple E. We educate, we entertain and we engage in this platform bafethu ye Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Keep subscribing, share, hit that notification bell for you to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Shuffling Diski Ringers. I'm your host Jabu Mahlangu. Angambi ngiwani ngamba nesikhokho esikhokhelwayo isikhokho sami knowledge.
Hola Javas, kunjani my brother?
Namhlanje ungale emabondini.
Angibonakala meghost.
Emabondini otherwise ukrene nje.
Angikren nami ngibulisa ama JMDS amahle. It's Busiso Mahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge, your co-host on JMDS. Namhlanje ntwana siphethe umfana waseskrale yaman skrale.
Hey man.
Yeah. Mara asibuleli mfethu, abuleli dayithathu man. Hola ntwana.
Ukrene.
Ngimnandi. Hey mfana yabantu.
Lobusika lobu ngathi uzosivithiza mfana
Itloba lomi ngicabanga it's still raining baba outside and sekungeni winter. Very soon
imvula le isifaka ku winter.
Isifaka ku winter ba.
Mara la istudio namhlanje ngathi sizofudumala ngathi kuzoshisa.
Mfana kwa maskrala utlo rifuthumatsa. Yeah.
Bafethu ithi ngamushi isikhathi chance phethe umjida la njoba ngishilo bafethu bekadlala ibhola elihloliwe kakhulu. Bekadlala ibhola elihloliwe udlalele ama Tuks University. He also played for Orlando Pirates. wadlalela eMpumalanga Black Aces, wadlalela iCape Town City, wadlalela neMamelodi Sundowns, wadlalela neSuperSport United. Hey, la kushoda ikhosi nje la. Yeah, kushoda nje ukuthi yeah, kushoda ikhosi la bafethu. Let me take this opportunity bafethu to welcome our guest uAubrey Ngoma. Wayitshukutsha. Welcome to the show.
No.
Mkahle.
Thanks
Yeah.
for the invite. Thanks for the invite, my gents.
Ukraine man.
Ngimnandi.
Usenze ukuthi wena unendaba eziningi usenze ukuthi unendaba eziningi ukuthi unegigaba ngete sense ungabalekisi uAubrey mfethu hey ungambuzi lezo indaba
Akumazi ukukhuluma kanje sense.
akanayigigaba jabula umuntu lona man. It's just nje story sakhe it's very interesting. That's why I thought man let's bring him on naye azokhuluma nabantu be JMDS.
siyabonga uAubrey mfethu ukuthatha isikhathi sakho sihlale endabeni mdlala manje uAubrey Ngoma ntwana seSkral yaman Skral bafethu cale kanjani dayile ngediski ubani uAubrey family life nyana usaseyintwana sigaye nje background without us ukuthi sikdistract nokuthi sikubuza ama question amaningi nje sigaye nje yonke ipicture yaka Aubrey from usaseyintwana your upbringing your family life.
Like you said, vele mina ngibuya amaskral. I was in a family of 6. So my dad passed on, my elder brother passed on, so sisi 4 no. I've got it's only boys ekhaya. I've got brothers.
Yeah.
I'm the last born.
So was there?
Yeah. Isingayazi indaba yosisi what so ngibone kuma cousin but it's not
Yeah,
the same nale uyibona mosendlini so qala ukudlala vele amaskral hometown yami vele iRamots isection yase amaskral
Okay.
bizwa ngeRamots so that's when I started playing and I fell in love nedisc mawudlala I think mawubuye township you know the most common sport disc
Yeah,
so that's when I
yeah.
started playing and then I discovered okay I'm not bad I've got a bit of talent kule sport and as growing up I used to be an Orlando Pirates supporter so benganye Pirates with everything
Ufana nami Joe you.
would never tell me otherwise about Pirates. So that's where a belief, and motivation to play at the highest level came from. I one day want to play like Dlala Kona, Abu Jabu, Abu Cheese Boy, Abu Tsovi Lagaz, all those guys. So I Dlala Lapo Ramotse, and then as I was getting older, Gubuma age 13, 14, khona out ibuya yamaskral beyifunda e-tax
Okay.
and then bekadlala ama-rest league da and he had a relationship with ama-tax coaches
Okay.
so wangibona ngidlala la one day wazibuza ukuthi ubani le ntwana le ngoba ezimasidlala ikasi beka amapalinyana amancane
Yeah.
kuyadlalwa kufakwa i-5
Yeah.
kuthiwa asishayenini 3v3 4v4
Yes.
so wangibona lapho ngidribula abantu wathi hayi man la kuna something
Yes.
wakhuluma nalamajita ama-coach we-tax wathi eish kunentwana ngifuna ukuyiletha lana izotrayela niyibone ukuthi injani but since uthi umbonile ukuthi umnandi zama ukuthola nabanye abayi-2-3 nyana at least baze bayi-4 sibone ukuthi maybe maskrala iphetheni
Iphetheni.
yeah so mangiyada satrayela si-4 besivaye si-4 bathatha bayi-3 bangathathwa yi-1 so ngajoyina under 15 nalo munye wajoyina sadlala immediately mina ngaya ku-under 16 laba abanye badlala oyi-1 wadlala ku-under 15 mina ngaya soyi-2 saya ku-under 16 hayi ngadlala lapho under 16 e-tax after under 16 under 17 that's when now it got more competitive because under 16 besidlala ileague yasepitori adlala nama-team amanye ayifele
Nowashabo ma-10-0.
shaba uma-6
Yeah.
7 thi manje makudlalwa sithi under 17 masesodlala manje sebayibiza nge-GDL back then besiyibiza
Oh, yes.
nge-Joburg League
Okay.
manje lapho sodlala against bo-Super Sports dlala against bo-Pirates dlala against bo-Chiefs Development Now you test yourself ukuthi okay,
Yeah.
do you think you are the player that you are, or uthatha ama chance? So that's when I realized okay, now if I can compete against these boys balama development, it means then I'm more than capable
Yeah.
to make it. So that's when I even put more effort, to make it. From under 17, I got promoted to Ivoracom. Now it's ABC Motsepelek. So I got promoted to Vodacom. I played about 6 months Vodacom because I was still in matric grade 11 mang promote.
Okay.
So bang promote season sayophela ngadlala 6 months team ya relegator ya Castle. Now I had to go back to Castle.
Castle yini man?
Castle League. Sebizwa nge-SAP manje. Ngisho SAP,
Oh.
Vodacom, now it's ABC.
Okay,
And then
ngiyakuthola.
NFD, and then
Okay.
So sa relegator from ABC, which was Vodacom then. Saya ku SAP League. Ngadlala 6 months. Ayinhlanhla leyo 6 months leyo. I think in 11 games, leyo 6 months ngashaya I think 9 goals. Coach at man. Awuze la ku first team NFD sokuhlola.
Yeah.
But it's a guy 6 months contract. We want to see if you're ready to step up or not. Aye. 6 months left, first game, mfethu ngidlala against bangifake as a sub, dlala ne Aces. Ngidlala against Musasa lobe Pirates we right back. What to buy?
Liyamatlafu.
Yamatla. Bangena da. Yer.
Hey, le yaphelela le
Hey,
yaphela.
ngishayikani. Ngibone phela lo muntu mfethu ashaya izembe mfethu. Manje mina sekuzodlala against lo muntu. Hey. Ayi ngalithola lokuqala nyana ngathi 1-1. Ayi ngabuya ngathi 1-1 ngahlanganisa amathashi. Ayi confidence yabuya kancane. Ngalibamba ngathi ngiyamhlola. Ayi aliwina lokuqala ngathi hayi it's fine. Ngiyabuya. Let's 2. Ngabona ukuthi ngithe ngiyangaphandle alithatha ngathi hayi ngene phakathi. Angangena phakathi ngathi hayi. Le 30 minutes I felt good. Ngoba banginika 30 minutes. It felt good. Coach na yabona ukuthi okay no ayisengiready.
So manje Aubrey kini njengoba ushilo ile on uthi beningamajida. Bebakhona ikhona mhlambe yakini uyifuzile or ebeyidlala or mhlambe icala ngawe into yedisk yefamily.
Hayi time alidlalile eKasi. Of course ngisikhathi adlala mina bengingekho or bengisaseyintwana so angazi but abantu abamaziyo when they refer him bambiza masterpieces, but yeah bethi abekantswembu.
Yeah, kusho ukuthi bekantswembu abambiza ngo masterpieces.
Yeah, bathi abekantswembu. So neBrian engilamayo nayo imnandi. Uye kahle I think he was better than me. Ngoba yena bekadlala number 10. Inkinga bekanomzimbanyana and bekadlala man that lazy football, but yena bekamnandi ukudlula mina uBrian.
Yeah.
Because yena mangidlala bo under 12 under 13 bekadlala if first team ya team yaseKasi bengidlalela bathi iBolton Wanderers. So beqala kudlala thina abancane sibakhatheni reason then yeah badlale bona hayi bo beaqoqa 10 yena bekamnandi yena
No nje intasi ya no uyamvuma.
yeah ngiyamvuma ukuthi yena bekamnandi ukungidlula yena 100% bekamnandi.
Ngitshele before when you went to Amatax and pro, who was a professional player Kaslako? Like someone that you looked up to. Pela mina, for instance, when I was at Ekasi, I looked up to Abu Polendlanya, Abuja, they got promoted before us. So we had people that we looked up to and that motivated us to, push even harder. So Ekasi now Maskral, because I don't even know one player that plays professional football. Even today, you're the only player Mineng Mazi from Hamaskral.
I think that's the into motivated kakhulu to change the narrative about Yamaskral, ukuthi I man akuna anyone that we look up to or lie to man. Somebody that you can say okay, na ngihlala kule strat number 3.
Yeah.
He plays for Chiefs, he plays for one of the PSL teams. Sho ukuthi this thing ingayenzeka. So I wanted to change that narrative with man. We have talent la Yamaskral ukuthi there's not enough exposure like lama other townships that are in Joburg and closer to Epitori, because even the lama tournaments, it's easier to scout as a lama tournament wasekasi as scout ama players. So I wanted to change that narrative to say I need labafana base amaskrala to see ngami ukuthi this thing is possible. That's why I had to push. I had to push all out. I had to make sure ukuthi, because as much as bengimnandi esikela, but football was my number one. Bengifuna nje ukuphasa. Bengifuna nje ukwenza to make it in football. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So you're confirming that you're the only professional player from Hammanskraal? To this day, to this day.
Khona enye intwana bathi uPhethu Khabaye. Phethu ngikhohlwa isibongo sakhe. Udlalile Pirates. Bamloana to cheaper. Then I don't know, yazi once walonwa out angazi kwenzakalani lapha. I don't think usadlala professional manje. And bangitshela ngenye out bathi Thomas Hlongwane bathi uzalele eHammanskraal. I think he's late now. He used to play back in the days, but he was from Hammanskraal, but I've never met him and I don't know any clip ezakhe. So
mina guys, I was not aware ukuthi bekungena player mfethu yaMaskral. Manje yini into isityle saseHammanskraal mdlali? No, ngicela ukuyibuza iyabe kuyini into eyenza ukuthi eHammanskraal, because thina David John bekuyidisk. Uyazi ukuthi produce amajita angakana vele thi njengoba uSense asho bekuyithi kwabo Sense kwabo Scapi kwabo Junior, but thina besiba manje nini kasileni belenzani mdlali benikhula kanjani benenzani yini style senu benidume ngathi benidume ngani kanti
besihlala idisk inkinga ukuthi like I said bengana exposure by because ama tournament bewadlalwa la ufike mfethu ubone ukuthi enhle la kunama player, but to get to that level to get to that level
or beningabo ma groovies phela amanye amakasi angisasifani amanye amakasi indoda abantu benyawo ndoda hayi leyo kugijimisana nesikhumba
yabazi basiyodlala bathi kugijimisana nesikhumba sakhe
uyakhumbula lawo magama amajita ngeke yogijimisana nesikhumba senkomo engayazi yabulawa nini. So vele bekubeka idisk belukhona, but it's just opportunities.
Opportunities. Yabona mangibuyela kule era vele yabu Priam, that le team yabo, if they had opportunities, I can tell you maybe 4 or 5 of them could have played professional. That's how good they were. But I was a player, they were good ekasi, but they never got exposure. Where normal jibonga figure ekasi, they might be more famous than me, ngidlali professional, because bona they ekasi bebamnandi. Ikhona leyo nto ukuthi kunema player had to make us because that's where they played. Makudlala idisk kukhulunywa ngabo.
And then masiya ke mdladla soku Matax manje angisho. So at that time when a personal maso soku Matax, who ubani liphi player nje mhlambe that you really look up to, yabo, like sort of your mentor noma mhlambe ungakazi ummithe physically, so but someone like for example mina bengincane uTebo Mloyi njengoba uthi ubuyibhakani enami ngidahad bhakani mfethu nami bamela yo bengihlanyisa iPirates intwana yami yo bengafuna ifokol yabona. So mina bengincane uTebo Mloyi blind yabona bengincane uMashwabana blind bekangihlanyisa le hotman vele bengize mangicela ukubuyela iPirates intwana ngigijime njengaye uyamazi basebenza kanti. So and lapho senyababala ke nami le challenge nyababala ndoda wena ubani at that time bekubani umuntu nje obekakunikeza that umfuthu esana I'm looking up to this guy.
At that time I idolized Abu Utugutugu Makhanya also Vilakazi. As much as bekadlala a different position than me, but you know, but ubukeli Pirates, you know ukuthi huyo umuntu ongavela neplan at any moment. So iba abantu bengibabukela nginjoy ukubabukela abu Tugutugu also
the late gift
as Vum number 1.
Abekuyinja le
Bona
last number
basropile lapha u gift
Eish bafethu.
like gift to introduce into ezibhayi ebholweni man, to see a player elidlala ngo left and right ungaboni ukuthi which one is weaker foot. So but mawubukela ugift you enjoy football because into bekazenza ngebhola mfethu. So vele makaya ku Sundowns, some of us amaBuccaneer we were sad ukuthi we lost a quality player. So yibo abantu engibe idolize mfethu, abo Gift, abo Cheese Boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yonke le gang. And then how was your icala kanjani ke your journey kuma tax lapha kuma tax manje? I think ufike lapha nabo Andile Jali ne?
Yeah.
Beku Andile Jali ngicela ungikhumbuza abanye Andile Jali.
Abo Andile, abo Mthokozisi
Mthokozisi Yende.
abo Phenyo.
Abo Phenyo. So how was that journey? Because nalapha most of la machite esikhuluma ngawo abo bekakhona nalo bekadlala ku Sundowns amaZulu manje ubongani uZungu ne.
Yeah, ufike later yena.
Oh, ufike later say that. Phela wonke lama players wakhulumayo they went to play for like big teams.
Yeah.
But ngifuna ungitshele nje your journey yenu yalapha kuma tax.
Ngoba-
Because lapha so jima sorry ukukhatha mla so jima manje professionals well structured.
Yeah.
Awusagcwala inaga. Remember mawudlala ku under 17 like bo under 15 ugcwala inaga and then 17 uyaqala manje uyabona kuba ne structure. Because mawudlala ekasi mdlala under 15 and vele mawuntswembu ufuna ukuhlala ubabonisa ukuthi untswembu kanti it's teamwork manje.
Teamwork, yeah.
That's why he raise.
Yeah.
Ulabona khona bathi icoach kumele ulirelease manje ndoda.
Ungasalimumunye kakhulu. Release.
Yeah, so just take us through your journey ke kuma tax with this great players ebezilapha mfethu abo Andile etc.
Yeah, so mina ngijoined 2008 and luckily the 2008-9 season, that's when coach, I think they put up a good team, where abantu ama-player man beswana ngenye indlela unga-understand ukuthi kanjani, because I think most of us were almost similar age. Maybe we're now 2 or 3 senior players, but most of us besasekule age about 20, 21, 22.
Yeah.
The age here we all still want to make it in football, 19, 20, 21. So ila we had a good run in the Nedbank that season. That's when these guys now also started stepping up, because we're doing well in the league that season, the 2008 and 9 season. We're doing well. In the time, NFD still had 2 streams at Inland and Coastal. So we're playing Coastal, we'd play one team 3 times. So masidlala lapha man, we saw in the beginning of the season with Yabola we've got an opportunity to make to do great things ngale squad esinaso,
team,
because ucoach uhlanganisa ama-player amnandi, like all positions besimnandi.
Konje bekubani coach?
Steve Parker.
Steve.
Yeah, Steve Parker.
Yes.
So we're doing well in the league. We're lying, I think, second go stream say too. We're playing one team 3 times. Hey, sometimes we're good difficult. You have to play to Polokwane twice to play the same team.
Eish, I can imagine mental
Eish,
strength
hey,
food. Yeah, yabona then.
But now, ngena ku Nedbank, first game, I think lasted it. Kusakhumbula ukuthi to qualify sishayibani, because remember NFT teams used to play each other to qualify.
Yes.
So last 32 Stoli team edlala lower than us, but dlala Vodacom. East London, I think. Kusakhumbula igama layo bekuyini leyo team. Hey ndoda, le team isifika lapha bashaya 2. Hey mabashaya 2 siyabona ukuthi hawo le journey yethu seyaphuma ngelast 32.
But banisha 2.
Bayalida 2.
Bayalida 2-0.
Bayalida 2-0. Hayi coach yabona ukuthi doesn't la half time ithi ngenza ama changes. Makayenza ama changes sabuya. Sathi 1 2 3 4. Sabashaya 4. Sesikhulile manje ku last 32. Sihleli manje endlini besihlala clubhouse. Besine clubhouse ngada bayibiza ngeHays Career. So siplomile ngelanga le draw. hayi amajita siyakhuluma lapho sithi eyi manje angazi bangasigaya i-Chiefs yazi
Unamanga.
ngiyakutshela sithi yazi bangasigaya angisho manje i-confidence high mfethu and sifuna ukudlala nabantu asaziyo ukuthi yabo la sizositesta nathi ukuthi enhle vele siready ukudlala kule level
Kahle kahle.
sathi hayi manje sifuna basigaya i-Chiefs eyi badrawa lapha badrawa yadrawa yavela ama-team eyi yathi ama-Tucks Chiefs ayikakaphumi sasekhona lapho
Yeah, basafudua la.
mayiphuma leyo nto ithi Chiefs awusibonanga sijabule kanje wonke amajita sijabulile sithi leading to that week ayi bobona ukuthi you are playing against the big team. It's phone calls, interviews, it's press conferences kubhizi nje e-tax mfethu that whole week.
Oprimas imfana zange lento zanishayisa uvalo.
Next
Instead benibafuna.
kahle besifuna i-Chiefs thina uthi
Hey, yabezwa lo
And phela i-Chiefs yabo ama-2000 bengafanga phela le Chiefs.
yeah be strong mfethu
strong
le
team.
Chiefs strong.
Yeah, that's why you talk about
strong.
the confidence yini. Hey, we should be about confidence because bonga manu uthi asavuli nabo Chiefs simane yabona simane rasinika bo bani yabo Chiefs sobabona mhlambe nina benifuna vele.
Besifuna i-Chiefs angisho besibelieve ukuthi nesimnani ngoba kuligi beshaye ama-team maybe besha ngoba besi-8 ngathi I think about 3 teams kunala sibashaya 4-0 or 4-1 ila sibona khona hayi bafethu laba abaseke kulevel yethu athi sohlola lapha sibone ukuthi le PSL ngasigaya
Yeah.
and it's not a mentality ukuthi we played against a smaller team in the beginning bas combo ukuthi hey they can play against us. So if that team believed ukuthi they can play against us, why thina singabelieve ukuthi singadlala nalabo phezulu kwethu nathi? Hayi sathi Chiefs.
Ngiyakuthola.
Yeah, sathi sifuna i-Chiefs. Masithola that week hayi. Bowuzwe ukuthi yabo la kuzonyiwa that week. Bathatha igame ngoba stadium sethu vele besicane bathatha igame bathi Atteridgeville. Sayojimela khona on Friday. Ngisho game be-Saturday sayojimela e-Atteridgeville Friday safila i-pitch sabona utane masijima ku-empty sabona utane kusasa kuzonyiwa umuntu sithema singena Saturday singena ngenye ubhasi encane mfethu yabheka lapha ayilize Chiefs hleli kamnandi kuma-coach
Yeah.
thina singena ngenye into encane shayinamba lapho phakathi
Yini lela bus leli konje Jabu?
Ile beselebranding
Yeah,
Intercape.
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 Yeah.
And ngaleso sikhathi nokubrandwa amabhasi bekungakagcwali.
Yeah.
Beyithusa ke vele. Yeah.
uyabona ukuthi kuyonyiwa thina singena ngento encane how many seats
Athi
late I
uyabona
think
ukuthi kuyonyiwa.
30 seats lethu mfethu incane hayi sesingena mfethu yaweza uyayizwa that time vele ivuvuzela beyisasekhona kakhulu la
Yeah.
ngena nje uzo hey uyazi ukuthi
Cala ukuceca amazinyo.
hey sesiyaqhaqhazela kancane manje
Reality nayo man.
hayi reality naba abantu besibafuna asithe masiceda ungena masingena siyenza i-pitch inspection awuyawezwa ama-support somshaya nina kuse-university la hey what selexile ezamajita ubona nestaff mfethu istaff sethu mfethu uyabona ukuthi hayi se-team encane hey Chiefs ishaya imnike omunye right uyabona ukuthi bahle mfethu abantu babukela every week
Yeah.
Bakushaya
hayi manje already mental sebayaqeda ngawo uma ungekho strong awusuyabona ukuthi awuyodliwa after pitch inspection sabuyela siba ready manje kuyalunga sithe siphuma pitch inspection akugcwalanga kakhulu
Yeah.
siyabuya checkwa ama-card kucheckwa yonke lento lesanke masiphuma siyomapha we Atteridgeville asiyazi phela le crowd Atteridgeville just yaduma phela that time iChiefs beyishisa mfethu beyinama-supporter you know iChiefs ama-support
And especially my winner
my
futhi
win
like yo yeah.
support lapha yagqwala manje e-Atteridgeville Lucas mfethu hayi warm up sicede nge-warm up sibuyele yabona mase sophuma ku-tunnel manje ayi capacity manje asisaboni next Chiefs yonke sithi madoda la isikhathi sokuthi soskrimelana asikho la kumele ube
Yeah.
switched on all times
Yeah,
kumele
yeah.
ube switched on hayi game ayiqala vele hayi wonke umuntu ufuna itouch nje agene egamini
Yeah.
siyawutasha sangena egamini saba confidence sonke thema siceda ukukora hayi sabona ukuthi okay ne hayi sesikhona manje sikorile ngisho abeze ke manje
Yeah. Yes.
hayi ngisakhumbula ukuthi amagoli angena kanjani but I remember ukuthi sawina 4-3 la ujima azoziwisile yakhumbula azoma
Ya,
misisana cabanga ukuthi
ngobani? Uphenyo Mungala.
uphenywa thatha ibhola ishaya lesi-4
Yeah.
ayileyo game after game la sibone khona ukuthi hayi madoda no sesiready
Kodwa nashaya i-Chiefs kule game.
Bayishaya.
sashaya 4-3
4-3.
ithi saqala ukushaya i-Chiefs from
Kula ujima aziwisile ngekho ndoda.
team ebuya
You remember that game?
yeah
Angisakhumbuli.
La ujima indoda athi
Aphakamisa
uziwisile
isandla.
ikhala phakamisa isandla ama. Lentwana uphenyo Mungala yama-threats.
Yeah.
Yavaya ushaya inet.
Hey. Oh, Chiefs.
elizwakele yazini iwisile that time
Yeah.
ukuthi bengasiya ka-ref mara izwakele sizwile sonke egroundini
Yeah. But there's a player who told me ukuthi uye washaya iflate. Ubani konje?
umdu
Umdu man uyende ne.
uyashaya iflame
Uthi ngashaya iflate intwana la. Ngashaya iflate yakhe ngathi whistle vele.
Oh, iflate ngathi wisile.
maybe kabiza ibhola angazi
Yeah.
maybe kafuna uphenywa amphasi
Oh, yeah.
manje ujima wacabanga ukuthi bajajile offside wama uphenyo wavaya waba smart wavaya wayekora ureferee athi angiblowanga mina iwisile
Oh, and after that, Mfana,
after that I think
obviously,
dreams now were within touching distance for most of Amachita because that's the game that exposed everyone team here to
yes.
to all the teams. Now teams started following all the players. But one would okay, who can they monitor? Because that season we have about after that season, because we lost in the final against Swallows, I think about 6 players went on to sign PSL contracts after that, immediately after that season. Andile no Penny were joining Pirates, Wayak Chiefs, 2 players went to Free State, Warren Bishop went to Amazulu. So about 7-8 players.
Manje ntwana angitshele after maniceda ukunokha i-Chiefs mfethu. Lelo viki e-university insayizi setup
Samba phezu kwamanzi.
Headfield
Samba Headfield ibuzwa
hey
kimi.
unama ndichichi walk manje.
Ngiyakutshela. Yaji.
Give it back.
Seshaya ice cream lapha eMcDonald's singwe.
Yeah.
So ngaze ushaya nestaff phela babone ukuthi ayinawa lama player aqeda ukushaya ichief. Besingathandi ukushaya istaff but I'm sure that week amajita. Sure washaya istaff ukuthi at least ayohlala lapha nje. Ngoba besithanda ukuthi after training just start walk, you know, so Headfield abanye bayothenga into ezincane snacks.
Yes.
So after that week nje masiqeda ukushaya iChiefs hayi. Headfield bezwa ngathi. Ngoba after that saya campus tax so activator so the activation for the next game because after Chiefs we played Celtic at home, so we had to try get supporters yeah to come support at home, and there we played them a ground in late.
So yini mfana lento ucoach Barker anayo mdladla, because it seems ukuthi ucoach Barker mfethu working with youngsters ngathi una like he can bring the best out of young players mdladla, and he's still doing it manje ku Stellenbosch. Ngicela ungitshele ukuthi because usebenze naye and besingakamazi and he still works nentwana, and look at iStelis mfethu. I mean iStelis nje it's a solid team, very competitive team. Now manje badlala bakuma Confederation semi-final, young team like lela time mdladla like linani yini into ayenza wenzani man open man ukuthi akhona ukuthi intwana zimlalele and do the right things at the right time and understand each and like ukuthi iplayer neplayer le understand the role yayo and the mandate of the club, because it's not easy ukudila nentwana futhi, you know, noma ngasingabona bomba 18 19 sometimes it's nayo lento yakambe lo hayi inayilo madala lo in but lela time man ngathi una something ngifuna nje ungitshele wena ngoba sabona ngaye adlala ngentwana encane manishaya bo Chiefs ukuthi hey madoda ubani lo Steve mina bengamazi lo coach ubani azitshela ukuthi mhlambe hayi uchayisile, but he's been consistent. Yes, he's been consistent in terms of believing in young talent and giving them the opportunity.
And I was fortunate enough ukusebenza naye no uncle wakhe the late Clive Barker ku Aces. I think what's common about bona boyithu ukuthi they make you believe in yourself the way you never thought ukuthi ungabeliever. Ukutshela noma uzizwa wena ukuthi you're not playing your normal game. Bazokutshela izinto to now start rewinding, man, readjusting your mind ukuthi yazini no. I-confidence ayigaya yama-player Steve. It's out of this world. I don't think I've worked under a coach who gives you so much confidence to play the way you know how to play. Udlale indlela yakho. Of course, there's tactics, there's setup, there's structure, but coach uzokaya leyo freedom to express yourself, to play to the best of your knowledge, your ability. So that's one thing I think I told her right, especially when it comes to youngsters, because a lot of the youngsters stinger, isandla around your shoulder now and then to say, hey, believe in yourself more. You can do this.
Yeah.
When you are established, it's a different story. I mean, you've got confidence. You know how to gain confidence yourself. But most of the time, coach also believe ukuthi you are not here by fluke. You are not doing a mistake. And Steve has that ability to get the players to play well. So that's why namanje umbona consistent kanje, because and he's good with youngsters. I think his training sessions, his training methods, enjoy training to a point where makaqeda session you've trained for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, awufuna ukuvaya with the coach last 10 minutes athi it's finished, athi hayi chayile ngizonibona kusasa. So his training sessions top, one of the best trainers. So that's why manje ubona you saw us play like that and produce so many players, and then he's went on to do the same thing ku Stellenbosch. I don't think Amazulu gave him enough chance. Yena ufuna makafika athola structure, understand what's going on, and he's well knowledge in the type of youngsters he has to promote and how to deal with them. He can let a lot of players go. I can tell you, he'll still find new players. Who has the right players to bring in? Angeke ba destabilize the team. They will come with attitude and he brings in a lot of players that are almost same type of character, that bazofuna ukwenza into eyi-one, igoal ukuthi guys, let's play football and do great things.
Yeah, so tell me, Joe, I see his name keeps on popping up Laguma Pagania since Uriviero is leaving. People are saying, why don't they bring in Steve Barker? Do you think he can work with big teams, with big players, big egos? Can he manage that? Or he's good with youngsters, and do what he's doing Google and Tuzan and what he did with you guys when you were still young? Because coaches, sometimes they can't work with egos, big players in big teams and stuff like that. Do you think Angalunga go Pagania?
I think with how he's succeeded over the years with all these teams as coach, with what he has done with Stellenbosch, I think if given a chance, he could come right. I don't think, because back then, remember, as much as Naye, he was bringing in a lot of youngsters, he was still also learning as a coach, to understand what he needs. But manje, I think we understand what it takes to play in the PSL, what type of players he needs to play his style sake, because as much as he brings in youngsters, he plays a lot of entertaining football with a lot of speed. He likes football that's played with a lot of speed. And Pirates, that's their style. I don't think Pirates is the slow build-up kind of team like Sundowns. Pirates plays an opposite, where when they go forward, they go with a lot of speed. And Steve, we turn at that type of football. So if given a chance, where I don't think, with Pirates supporters at the moment, they're patient enough because they're winning now. They want a coach who's going to come in and hit the ground running. And coach figure, obviously, Mela adjusted to the culture of the club, because, coaching Stellenbosch and coaching Pirates is two different worlds. Stellenbosch, we have about, 5,000 to 10,000 supporters you have to please. Orlando, my friend, they call you quick. No better, but yeah.
Yeah.
woza ndoda kwenzakalani and ama-supporter big teams they demanding bafuna i-win who we playing it doesn't matter kumele uwine ndoda so I don't think banayo leyo patience ukunika if 2-3 games things don't go right then what so but and I believe he can take over from coach Rivero.
Okay.
Bafethu sisasenjalo kuleyo ndaba, please don't forget to share, like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates ezijabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski Ringasi ayihleli nendoda beyinzima kakhulu bafethu obring ngoma wayichukuja mdladla great time kuma Tuks now Orlando Pirates ize kanjani leyo deal Orlando Pirates, were you ready for it? And if yes, you'll tell us. If no, you'll tell us, but it happened. And how was your stay there? Orlando Pirates, and just sneakers nje ama insights nje owalaphana ku Orlando Pirates, because now njengoba uqeda ukusho, so ama Tuks, it was a stepping stone. Now the real challenge comes because you must please millions instead of 5,000. You understand, people? How does that deal came about, and were you ready for it? And take us through all that journey, Orlando Pirates.
So i-movie ye-pirate comes masiceda ukupromota ama-Tuks because the 2011-2012 season i-last promoter khona ama-Tuks to
yes.
the PSL.
To the PSL, yes.
So now Pirates come knocking, but we want your services. Mind you, baqeda ukuwina i-treble, I think it was back to back. I think they won it 2010, 11 and 11-12 season.
Yeah, with abo Dinklage and abo McCarthy, ne?
Yeah.
Penny McCarthy,
Yeah,
yeah.
baqeda ukuwina i-treble.
Yes. Yo, kusho ukuthi manje, hey.
Of course manje mangizosayina ne-Pirates, of course it was my childhood club ngisupportayo. For me it didn't even take long ukuthi ngithi I want to go play there because that's where I saw my idols play and
Yeah.
ngifuna ukuba that part of that setup. Masifika ucoach who was the coach? Masifika ucoach Augusto mangifika mina.
Unjenje.
Yeah, unjenje. Coach unjenje. And mawufika sibaningi la and I don't have any PSL experience that time. Sibaningi ngiyafika, I see all these big names, they just won treble. I have to be part of that team. Hayi Jimmy, hayi izinto zimnandi is grand. Until now kufika i-party ama-Tuks ithi hayi man sicela nisilone yena back let him have one season with us ku PSL, then nizomthatha the following season masekane a PSL experience, which to me didn't wasn't a no-brainer. Ngiyabona ukuthi man ithi ngiyothola nje i-PSL experience kancane ne ama-Tuks. That's when now first season yethu with ama-Tuks we continued from where we left off with our promotion because we went on to finish in the top 8. After that season, now I have to go back to Pirates. And now they are back-to-back treble winners. Mangifika la, maybe things were not great in the beginning. Nhlanhla leyo, that same time mangifika ba-appoint uRoger. So siqale pre-season no Roger. Mase busy no Roger, hayi uRoger ngitshela ukuthi man, I've been following you with ama-Tuks. I like the player that you are. Angifuni uye uvaye on loan. This season uyahlala ngizokuspanisa. Hayi siyavumelana no Roger mnandi. Siyajima ngikhompyutha no Dane that time was. Uqeda ukuwina 5 leagues now.
Yes,
5 leagues in a row.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uqeda ukuwina nani league Super Sports 3 ahamba ayewina futhi 2 Pirates.
Yes.
So compete other games ngidlale, other games adlale, but yena bebam selector more when it comes to big teams. Kuna la limala khona for I think 2-3 games where I was playing. I started 2 games in a row. Angdlale grand in fact. Then we're going to the 3rd game. Dlala ne-Sundowns. Eyi ngisho ibuye ofisini ukuthi hayi man. Asicheckeni uDane ukuthi right now ngoba hey asithembi ukuthi lo mfana uzaba right for le game. It's a big game. Dlala ne-Sundowns. Ngoba we had played AmaZulu and I think Arrows before that. No, we had played AmaZulu and Vets before that. So siyodlala ne-Sundowns. Hey, and ngidlale kahle oyi-2 ama-game.
Yeah.
Hey manje
You deserve opportunity to
Hey,
continue.
sengiyakhishwa manje kuthiwa hey it is buyise experience. Dane angene uDane. Adlale uDane. Adlale grand because it's Dane after all. Usijwayele le stage adlale grand but nami i-confidence ithi kancane because man ngiyazifila ukuthi bengidlala grand sengiyakhishwa because uDane ubuyile and check game whereas I felt angenzanga any mistake sengiyakhishwa confidence ithi kancane. So that season iqhubeke mayiqhubeka bavayisa uRoger. Makuvaya uRoger izinto manje azisekho the same ngoba uRoger I don't think uqede nathi season. Bekudlalwa kahle. Makuvaya uRoger, that's when now things started being a bit shaky for me and some of the players, a lot of the players. Ngoba I think kwabuya uNjenje azo take over as a caretaker coach before the next season kufike uVV.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Makufika uVV, masenze pre-season the following year. That's when I saw ukuthi okay now I need to move. Get a loan to Black Aces. Because that time I felt okay, I managed to play in the beginning of the season le yaga Roger. Mase kuva uRoger bangitshela izinye izinto yazi leya team man. Izinto zenzwa ngenye indlela that you don't question as a footballer if you know what's good for you. You don't question a lot of things. And I mean I was never that person who question. I believed ukwenza ispane grounding. What happens off the field, that's the team's responsibility. Who plays, who doesn't play. Because ngiyakutshela idiskini ungaperforma ejimini. If ucoach akafuna ukudlalisa, you won't play. Because uyenza team at the end of the day. So ila maybe ngibone khona ukuthi okay maybe environment ayisekho right for me because also I'm 23 at that time. Ngifuna ukudlala mfethu. Ngi-23 angeke ngifuna ukuhlala ebenchini ngisaseyintwana. Ngifuna ukudlala as often as possible. Ila manje ngicela i-loan move to Aces. But okay via Aces. And that time ama option bewakhona for loan moves. There were a couple of teams that said okay we can have him. But uyabaza ngisho they channel that bayakthumela to where they want you
Where
to
they
go.
want you to go, yes.
So but hayi via uyangara kweSizwe.
So before we are Aces at Pirates, unabo Benny McCarthy mfethu because I'm one of the guys that idolizes Benny McCarthy.
Yeah, no.
How was it like being with that big star, big player, Benny McCarthy? How was he around you? Did he give you any advices? Like kanjani and trainer kanjani, like professionalism yakhe and all.
When it came to professionalism, I think that's some of the things Maui Ntwana you can pick up from this top professionals Abu Pain. That's what I picked up Go Pirates because remember Go Pirates I never got to play with him, but I trained with him during preseason for about 6 weeks in Chimanai. That's when I picked up Gutiazin Upen. Na ilang bone corner. That's why I think later on it was easier for me and I spun it together at Cape Town City when he was coaching me because I saw you Pirates. And you know the little comments because when we do our crossing and finishing where you cross the ball live una corner uzokutshela ukuthi you know good ball keep working on it cross like that. Mawutshela lo muntu mfethu bombukela dlala UEFA Champions League I mean now kumele confidence iphezulu uyezwa ukuthi okay clearly if you have something if top striker like Upen McCarthy would say
Keep it that way.
Keep it that way. You're a good cross of the ball. Work more on it to get even better at it. So those little comments for those 6 weeks, they were very inspiring to me because umuntu umbona mfethu ezejimini aza ngeBentley mfethu. You can already tell ukuthi this guy doesn't need to be here. He doesn't have to be here. Ukuthi nje uyafuna ukudlalela iPirates adlale nani. And you can only learn from umuntu onjalo.
Eish.
So I learned a lot from yena.
Yeah, because there's a statement esinye ngasibona that he said about you back in the days where he said ukufanisa nabo shoes mushwewe, and I was like, yeah. Ubani le mfana.
Imagine hearing that from
Shoes mushwewe.
Upenny,
Yeah,
when you
at you are at that level.
you've been compared to
you're
Shoes.
still
Yes,
young,
you
yeah.
know what
That's
Shoes
massive. Yeah.
that can either make you or break you because
Yeah.
now you have to try live up to that expectation of playing like Abu Shoes. Whereas me, it was motivated. I know ukuthi I wasn't half the player Shoes was, but to be compared to him was very motivating to me to say, "Eish, you have something, but
Yeah.
believe in yourself more. You have talent, you have the skills, you have the tools, you have potential. So believe more in yourself."
So ugrand
Yeah,
because manje because lapha kuBhakani uPenny makafika bekunama egos lapha yana. Bekungabamelwana lo utshela ukuthi nami ngembheki because uPenny nami I know him from under 23s. Bafana
yeah,
you know
yeah,
I know him
yeah.
very professional and akayithathi nonsense.
Yeah, that's
Akukho la ake wathi yeni nabafana ningacabanga ukuthi you are bigger than this akhole abantu into order I think ngisho kanjalo.
Yeah,
Sort
yena-
of. Because Nyamazi is that guy.
once or twice when he sees the level of training which is not up to where it's supposed to be uzontshela, especially the young ones uzontshela ukuthi if you le attitude enifuna ukuqhubeka ngayo forget, just forget. And he calls you into order immediately. And that's what he used to tell us vele. If us training kahle hayi, he won't wait for the coach to tell us. He'll be the first one to give us, hey, chance. This is not how we train. The highest level, you come to training, if unenkinga, leave your problems ngaphandle.
La
Masila mfethu, this is the environment for you to work and improve. This is your happy place, so make it a happy place.
Eish. And then moving imdladla, so you felt ukuthi ku Pirates azange bakutreat kahle.
Yeah, azange izinto zivikrand, especially maqeda ukuva uRoger, because that's one coach he believed in me. He could work with the youngsters. You know, some coaches don't work really well nama player amancane angana that enough experience. So makuva yena vele I felt ukuthi izinto zivikrand.
Then Mpumalanga uye ngelona ngisho kokucala.
Initially, yeah.
Initially, and then you'll correct me if I'm wrong, Opri. And then loan ngada and then join committees wa by team status or ni
Mangiya ngada loan first season, it loan coach Clive.
oh yeah ngiyakhumbula coach utla
Yeah,
yes
coach Clive. Aye. We also even that season figures we zama survive relegation because I think we were playing at number 12, 11, 13 most times. So after that first initial loan, iPirates ifuna uNdoro.
from gu AC
AC.
yes
Mina ngisho ngiplay iPirates ngiku AC on loan.
yeah
So iPirates it is funa uNdoro. AC zithi okay. Asenzeni swap deal.
lethan lo
Lethani lo nina nithatha uNdoro permanent deal. iPirates ithi hayi mnandi singayenza le. Avele bayenze. Mabayenza ngithi hayi Ndoro ngiyabonga mfowethu.
wakhulula
Wakhulula mfowethu. Hamba lafana uzozibonela ukuthi wenza njani.
athi ngathi ngiyabonga mfethu
Akamtshela ngathi Ndoro mfowethu ngiyabonga because
eish ngiyakuthola
benga understand ukuthi ngizovaya kanjani. Because history bengasho ukuthi players abavaya kuPirates the only way ukuvaya la is if you get blessings as a chairman uvayiswe grand ye ukuthi uzokhosa strike abengeke lo
uzoba ne
and
problem
bese ngasafuni nami ukubuyela yabo so ithema bathi le deal it's possible ngamtshela uNdoro ngathi ndoda hamba uyoba isitanga la
yeah and then permanent manje
yeah seba permanent
Aces.
aces
manje itheni kuwe mdlali in terms of emoyeni wakho manje shuthi igaye that fresh start manje ukuthi yazini manje I want to enjoy my football ngibe mnandi bona lento ukuthi ngifuna ukubabonisa labia
hayi ngisho bese kunalento ukuthi angisafuni ukuya la so told myself ithi ngibuyele futhi ngidlale ibhola elingilaziyo ngidlala mnandi fresh start you know ngiperforma kahle bese vele noma iPirates bese ithe buya I don't think being right to commit ukuthi ngabuyela kuPirates so I said I
no sengisho ukuthi yazi ngiyibuza kanjani leyo ukuthi mhlambe kule kwaba ikwali ukuthi ngifuna ukubaprove ukuthi ngifuna ukugcwalisela or vele nje wayithatha wadayi as a professional watazini yes bengida iclub bengifavor from ngintwana but things didn't work out it happens this thing lezi zinto ezinjengalezi ziyenzeka ku football I close that chapter angisafuni ukukhuluma ngaleyo nto angisafuni ukucabanga ngaleyo nto ngifocus manje moving forward ngibuza in that regard
into vele I made a conscious decision to say ayikho ipoint yokuthi ngizama ukuyiprove to Pirates. Pirates is a big team either way. They'll get more players whether mina I'm bitter, I'm angry,
yes.
They'll get players and the team will continue. Mina what I have to do is ngitshela ukuthi let me continue and play football. Nothing to prove to Pirates and I think into yangisiza mina ukuthi that following year masiqeda ukuswapa ngiya ku Aces to have that type of season with Lama player being now because we went on to finish 4th in the league and I played a massive role in that season because best coach Mushin that season. So ngidlala ibhola kamnandi nothing to prove, no one else to prove to anyone. So ila ngitshela kanjalo mangivayela ukuthi it didn't work out, shake hands, move on. Life goes on.
Yeah, ngifuna simove vele manje singahlali kakhulu ku Pirates ngoba sesiyadlula kuyo. But during that phase mdladla abanye amajita bagcina bangena ehasini kakhulu. Uyabo?
Playing
yeah, abanye ba frustrated they can't handle it I situation. Abanye igcina dayeng iya nasendlini mhlawumbe ugcina so abuse imedi. Yeah, and when I would deal nayo kanjani because I think it's important to our viewers also just to hear that to go okay now you were going through this and you are born with awusafuna ukuba la but you as angazi mina ngezwe bathi esani opri wenza ama flop nanani be stress but amanye amajita we know I mean bengise gaming nami amanye amajita bangena ehasini nje basisho ama drugs when nje ngifuna sidlule lapho singene ku ACC na ku Cape Town City there yini into ekenza ukuthi mdlala to stay professional and to stay true to yourself and when the show good you know what mina I'm a professional footballer I must also know ukuthi sometimes kuba kahle sometimes akuhambi kahle but mina I'm a soldier on
yeah like usho mfethu I think when football is taken away from you as a footballer it's where kuyinto uyaziyo ujwayele ibhola into ofuna ukuyenza mase bayithatha leyo moment it was difficult because i-team mase travela yodlala bo CAF what niyasala ni 8 niyajima akumnandi mentally it's draining because awusayinanga ne-team to do all of that when usale every week abantu bayodlala mababuye amakwenziya ama training sessions sometimes you're sitting out so that was a testing about maybe 3-4 months where nami I nearly fell for it ngene esageni ngishayi I was drinking already that time but I told myself ukuthi ngizophuza ngibe happy for that moment mase ngiqala ngiba sober futhi
back to square one
so it manage the situation. It's only a few months izawudlula ngoba I knew ukuthi once the season iphela then is a new opportunity for me. That's when I went out on loan. Opportunities izobuya futhi ngibuye ngibe grand.
Oh nice.
And angifuna ukuthi mase ifika le opportunity ngithola ukuthi manje
so fatalele
sengine bad reputation ukuthi but phela ama team lawa yakhuluma bazobatshela ukuthi alo phela mangadlali uphuza kakhulu ufika late ejimini ufika dakiwe and all those things. So I told myself ukuthi ukushaya vele bengishaya mfethu bengifika endlini man mangine stress ngithi I think by 6 ngishaya 6 nyana ngihlala endlini
Wehlisa umoya.
ngehlisa umoya ngilale bengingasile type vele mina ukuthi mase ngashaya 6 manje sengifuna ukuya ebantwini ngifuna ukuyogqwala
Ungasujabula.
yeah it's not
Ungasubona wathwinya wena. Wena
Yeah, we guys, we shuffle the bag. Bengishayela la endlini.
Yeah, bese usigelele
Ngigelele
empedeni.
embhedeni,
Hayi manje
ngilala.
thina besinukelwa ipetrol. No, but I think I think you've managed the way usho ngakhona mdladla you manage kahle because it can really destroy you. Those moments
much.
if you can't you didn't deal the way we handle ngakhona.
Not strong enough mfethu hayi.
So ACES seyathengwa ne
Yeah, iyathengwa manje.
status na joint committees ne
committees, yeah.
now iJourney ye-Cape Town City entwana lapho naku ACES bomnandi ntwana bovutha you've always given your best mdladla mawudlala I can't say ku Pirates ngoba mhlambi opportunity beyincane ngithi you've njalo mawudlala ntwana bowenza amasimple ibhola yalazi it's God given talent you bo contributor nawe you understand bo contributor nawe but joba sisho amanye ama decisions awathathwa yithi as players you understand
Yeah.
so that's the nature of the business unfortunately Cape Town City ntwana yo a combination yakho nomanyama yo hayi mfana
Abe beza.
think-
ay suka
Lapho bebeza,
hayi
lapho.
mamela
Beza
suka
songathi umvula.
leyo manyama leme kanje wekele kanjani wekele leme kanjani ale beyiza hayi laba
Abe ngekuba stop.
No, like-
ntwana. Yo.
mfana yes
Ngamtshela naye ngathi ngambonga after leyo season ngathi mfethu ungenzile istar as much as bengugaya ukuthi ukora if bengaya someone else I missed lama chance.
People are never gonna notice.
Yeah,
Now
it's,
uyakhawatheka.
now ngiyakhawatheka. It doesn't count as an assist if uyampasa kakhulu. So as much as bengimpasa yena naye bekumele enze isponsor yakhe yakhona. So ngambonga naye ukuthi hayi mfethu ne ungenza player because I think that's where I've had my best season. My best footballing period. It was when I played for Cape Town City. No ngidlala no Lebo. I think uJohn wahlanganisa isquad right, waniki Eric chance ukuthi ahlanganise isquad right. Because I had an option ukuthi ngiyaye eCape Town or mina my team ayivaya ngibatshela ukuthi angifuna ukuya lapho ngoba there's players that turn down the opportunity to go to Cape Town.
konje
Team mayithengwa yabo. So bangayi le option ukuthi ufuna ukuzwakala neteam or ngathi hayi Cape Town. Hayi ngiyavaya. Experience ngoba ngidlalile eCape Town into yenza ukuthi vele ngithi ngifuna ukuya la ngisikhathi ngokutax ngadlala neAjax Cape Town la ngikora khona 4 goals ngegame e1 ila ngabona ukuthi hayi man shothi into zami ziyakhanya ngara Cape Town ukuthi ngiyodlala kulesa stadium as home games manje ngoba lapha bengiyawe ngathi hayi ithi ngiyodlala eCape Town Stadium as home games ngibone ukuthi experience njani also ngibonile iAjax mfethu ama player bewasuka ngayiya udlala iAjax played well because if I'm honest Ajax was one of the teams ngifise uyidlalela at some point
ne
but
why
I never got an opportunity because man how they played how they produced players so, and they let players go mabaqeda lapho kungena abanye but still perform and still give these big teams problems when they playing in Cape Town. So
And
bengifuna leyo
and
moment.
they were giving players an opportunity to play for Ajax Amsterdam.
Go player, bro. That's what.
So yeah, whenever you're performing back guy chance, go for
and
try.
the facilities also
Exactly.
They were properly run.
top
And John was there at that time, Ajax. So when he took over at Cape Town City, I said, I think new experience and.
hayi ukuthi bofuna ukudlala ngegagasi ntwana
I know we party Cape Town. Nice vibes.
yeah
Umnandi ungathi use Europe, mini Europe nyana.
yeah so adjust kanjani vele la because it's different you're right environment it's totally different to Jozi and mhlambe Limpopo it's like Durban is totally different. So when you adjust kanjani mdlalo so that you can still do ispan sakho leso sizele but also explore experience
and
yes
explore the city.
explore the city yeah
I think into engincedile ukuthi mangiyada ngiye angivayanga ngi-1 sivaye I think 12 other players
Oh,
that
yeah.
were at ACs. So masifika ngada it wasn't lento ukuthi ngisayocala ngizama ukuhlangana namajita. It's already the guys I know I've been with for 2 years. So masiya ngada all we need to do nje move together everywhere. Anything that we're going to explore, experience, sivaya sonke. So that helped settle quicker in Cape Town because mangiyada ngiyana abantu angibaziyo. It's like manje masingaphuma sivaya C3, masifike endaweni sivaya C3, it won't be difficult njengoba uma uzofika uyi-1 awazi muntu sakumele uadjust yabo. So masifika ne-team, that's what helped for me to settle quick. And no John wenze sure ukuthi settle quick because masifika vele bese kasitholela ama-apartment asitshele ukuthi siyotraina kuphi, sitraina what time. So thina sifike nje ngokufaka iy'khwama zethu sathatha iy'mpahla zafaka emakhabetheni same day apartment is finished. Ayenze sure ukuthi thina into esizele la siyenze immediately sifika ngoba sifike at night I think on a Saturday, Monday bese sejimini abe ungathi kade Cape Town. Enjoy ayilapho vele sabona khona ukuthi okay let's continue from ACs because we finished 4th that the season before and we still have 12 players. So at
we
least
still have the core
of the team isasekhona. So our additions were top because we added Tsepo Gumete, we added best defender I've played with Robin Johannes.
Yes.
We added a couple of Cape Town boys, for the team to look like a Cape Town team.
Yeah.
But they already had a core together, so that what helped. Uti settle fast and hit the ground running well.
And when did Benny McCarthy come to the team?
He came after the first season.
After the first season?
Yeah, first season we did well. We finished 3rd. We won the Telkom Cup. Eric went to Super Sports.
Yeah.
And then that's when Benny came in the following season.
Okay.
2017-18 season.
Yeah, we move on, Mfana. Then now you had this great season or a moment in Cape Town. Now Sundowns come knocking. But I believe Whitney Chiefs was also there, Nabo, asking for your signature. So why did you choose Sundowns instead of Chiefs? Because obviously Pirates, I was
bamlimazile emoyeni mara since
but the big three bemfundo
mara knowledge
bekafuna big three
or ngabe return of the Mac awulimele shame.
I Pirates vele I wasn't gonna consider it because bese vele ngidlulile la, so
Yeah.
I didn't want to have that same experience.
Yeah.
So into yenze ukuthi ngichoose Sundowns. Chiefs nayo was there, but they were not like fully showing ukuthi bafuna vele ngithi
Yeah.
immediately. Whereas Sundowns was showing that hey, we want you now. We want you. If we can get you tomorrow, we want you tomorrow. But of course, listen to statistics because it took long. The transfer negotiations, things joining, and they took about 2 to 3 months. So it took long with constant phone calls from the coach, trying to convince me to come. Where, Sundowns, you don't need any convincing. I mean, I think we got to win the league. No? That season before, the league we got to win a Vets. But 2 seasons before, I think we got to win a Sundowns.
Okay.
So now, Pitu Young Charity wasn't not we are born as got to win a Champions League.
Charlie is repeat
Hey boy, come boy.
You
You
want
don't want to
trophies?
play Champions League?
football. We're gonna play Champions League football.
You don't want to win the league? You just want to play football and not win the league? Come boy.
And who yumdala yeah.
Come
yeah.
boy. Nami ngiyabona mfethu ngibuya amaskrala, there's no league winner. Nah, a chance.
Yeah.
Nah, a chance. Let me go win the league with Sundowns because I knew they already would this squad base corner. They're going to win the league again because Vets had taken it, but Sundowns finished I think a point away from them.
Yeah.
The season before
Yes.
when we finished third because it was Vets, Sundowns, then us. Ngabona ukuthi hayi man, itingvaye ngiye-join i-Sundowns instead. And obviously now it made business sense for Cape Town City because Chiefs were still delaying, negotiating for amount uJohn I don't think begayifuna. So when Sundowns met the asking price Cape Town City, uchairman wathi hayi you can go. Ngoba ulebo already besekavayile naye asetake.
He wasn't, yeah.
Yabo. I-partner in crime
Esa,
yamanje sengiyabona
no,
ukuthi
yes.
izogeja lezi ngizoziphasa la. Thingivaya ngiyowina i-league.
Yeah.
So ila ngijoina khona i-Sundowns. Ngabajoina midway through the season.
And then in terms of i-package yakho from ichange kangakanani, let's say nje in terms of percentage, you don't have to give us the numbers.
Akasikayi amanamba mfethu.
Yona ishintsha kakhulu mfethu.
Because bayabhadala lapha.
Yashintsha like it changes your life completely.
Yeah.
Like the way isalary yakho ichange ngakhona you didn't even imagine you could earn that money udlala ibhola. I never thought I could earn that much udlala ibhola. So though I think I had just signed a new contract with Cape Town City because I played one season with John Wati. During that season, one offer a new contract.
Yeah.
So that improved my salary already from here to here. So iSundowns nayo mayifika isalary seyila ngiyabatshela ukuthi amadoda phela kumele sinyuke futhi kumele siye phezulu.
Yeah.
So yona percentage wise maybe close to 60% increase.
Yes, yeah. So manje Aubrey, ngizokubuza le question because sometimes usayinwa yi-team, sometimes usayinwa yi-coach, ufuna yi-coach very straight. And why I'm asking this sense is because sometimes as uma usayinwe yi-team, mhlambe i-coach ingasiyona kuzoba nenkinga ukuthi kumele udlale. Lezo zinto lezo sometimes uma usayinwe yi-team, i-coach yona ikufuna ukuthi udlale ngoba usayinwanga wena grand kule deal le. Like bekuyi-team or kupitso or boy two.
I think
In that regard because it happens.
Yeah.
Kube nama misunderstanding i-coach ithi mina bengamfundi umuntu or i-team ithi thina besingamfundi umuntu ngafundwa yilo muntu.
Luckily, I think Pito was the one who was in charge of who comes in, who lives at Sundowns. So,
Yes, yeah.
huyo muntu wangisign Sundowns, Coach Pito, you know. And the funny thing is, wangifuna so relationship no Pito wangifuna before ngisase tax.
Oh
The time-
yakwazi.
Yeah, the first season ye ama-tax ku-PSL wangifuna lapho. The time bazosayina uZungu ngisase-tax but mina ngaya ku-Pirate that season, that's why. So asibanga ne-chance wangifonela that period wathi ufuna ngizodlala ku-Sundowns kodwa that time yena bekamfuna ngizodlala i-left back. Ngathi hayi left back hayi mina angifuni ukudlala emuva hayi ngathi angiyi-Sundowns ila ngiya-Pirate. So ithema kabuye futhi ngi-Cape Town City angifonela hayi there I can tell you it was a no-brainer ngoba huyo umuntu wangifuna wathi
Oh, yes.
uzodlala wangitshela the way azongifita ngakhona
Oh,
ethimini.
yes.
And mind you that time fethu there's already abovila abomshishi there that you have to go fight with. It's not like uzofika vele udlale.
Hey.
Abantu baqeda ukuwina i-CAF Champions League. Kumele mawufika phela nawe ukhombe ukuthi why you here.
Yeah.
And I knew there's a lot of games in Sundowns. Somewhere ngizongena angeke
Yeah,
ngihlale
schedule sabo
bangibhizi.
sihle.
Schedule is by ngizongena league, Champions League, cups ngizodlala. So that's when I decided okay thingivaya ngiyojoin i-Sundowns.
And
Even though in the beginning mangifika vele last game yami Cape Town City I played against Sundowns, played 45 minutes, got an assist, we beat them 1-0 ngaphuma half time because of a hamstring problem. Join Sundowns ngifika vele ngine hamstring injury, so already I'm 2-3 weeks behind ngoba kumele ngiqale ngenze rehab. Bang it's a different story ufike your train already you mangifika vele ngifika ngine injury kumele ngenze rehab kuyadlalwa it's January season say
So uyaluza vele.
seyaluza because train iyamove mfethu bayadlala labantu and i-Sundowns badlala almost every 3-4 days kune-game. So maybe I missed that period bengilimele. I think I missed about about 6 games.
Hey, and that's a lot.
It's a lot. Uqeda ukufika.
Ufeyisana, that's a lot. Yeah.
So manje kumele ngibuye ngicatch up.
So bowuthini wena mdlala ke in that phase manje? So ku-Sundowns umkotlo uphakeme mara manje so stresswa ile nto na uluza manje. So bukuthini?
Hayi into right ukuthi coach ne medical team bangitshela ukuthi hayi ba patient, relax, uzobuya right, uzodlala, relax. Ungarush because you just arrived now, you want to force and play. But do your proper rehab, ube right.
Unga stress.
Hayi ngayenza rehab yazi mangibuya hayi. The last 3 months of the league, I was always in the team. Mangene as a sub, I gave everything. I performed a grand. No, nama came ngakala. I performed well because I remember Free State ngakala. There's a Nedbank game also ngakala. So I played well in that period. The last winner Connie League. Now it's Sundowns. You know they can afford. Now they go buy.
Another one.
I-play alisuka Cape Town City angisho ngisuka le angiyamangala hawo sebalana nalo futhi so babaningi manje futhi
Balandu wa Noraland.
ulai lakhe
Oh yeah.
Ayisana uOprah ngibulala. So yasikhuphula uDamadoda manje ke
amadoda
La
just
ngithi.
arrived
Yeah.
mina just arrived senilanda omunye futhi
But i-medical team ye-Sundowns benjani mdlala? Why ngisho kanjalo? Konje khona le out le yefizo lemxhosa le. Yefizo
ngiyambona
Konje ubani? That guy unenhliziyo enhle lo.
yeah ne usaki
Usaki.
Yeah, Usaki,
Yazi that
yeah.
guy sense ngingalimala. Ngingalimala. I think bengibuya eSweden. Ngabuya ngiphethe groin. Angisakhumbula ngahlangana nale out kanjani. Yazi that guy wangenza rehab for free. Ngingayidlalelanga iSundowns. Ngimazi kanjalo Usaki. That's why ngibuza ngaye. Yo, that guy amazing human being mdlali.
Yeah,
Amazing. Top.
boy too no Godfrey
Yeah.
banefizo yenye ngisho bathi uGodfrey beka kuphi konje kuyaba kuphi ku platinum bekasuka ku platinum. He was at platinum for long. The medical team yara mfethu top
Ayi, Usaki
nama
mfethu.
doctor khona
Ne?
Dr. Carl no Dr. Paul they top amachita outside of Ispan amachita ongakwazi ukucommunicate now when you've got family issues, you've got personal issues. Amachita ongakhuluma nabo grand bakayama life advisors ne amachita top medical team
that's why I have
eSundowns.
to mention Usaki because I've never had an opportunity. Nami wanginceda just like that. Je sahlangana la sihlangana khona ngamtshela inkinga yami wathi mfethu zwakala bisihlangana I think 3 times a week makaceda ukuthenisa ku-Sundowns just to help
Free,
me.
cabanga.
That's why ngimbuza ngithi hayi that guy bekanenhliziyo. Ubufuna ukubuza something sense?
No, ngifuna ukubuza man, environment of playing for a team efana ne-Sundowns where you're getting paid a lot of money but you don't get a chance to spend it, if I may put it that way. Because you play so many games, every 3-4 days you are playing, you are traveling and all that. How was it like nje amachiteni? Because unfunny mentally. I'll just make an example ngo Sipho Mbule. I'm thinking he can't take that. That is why he's always in the news for the wrong reason. How did the coaches, the Pizzo, and I don't know if Rulano was the assistant coach and Mangoba as well. How did they manage the squad, Bonanje, to keep everyone happy if you all were happy?
Like
I think-
mhlambe sorry kancane
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
mhlambe just to add to also I think just to add wena ukuthi ba add an understanding ukuthi they still have a social life abantu so nabo kumele siba somehow sibadedele man badedele igazi.
One thing about Bona, they understand that abu coach lave mina bengispana nabo ukuthi as players we have a social life, but they don't want a social life ezodisturba ibhola. You can have a social life, yes, but your social life must not disturb what gives you that salary to have that social life.
Yeah.
So into abayifunayo leyo ukuthi understand ukuthi okay, we're playing all the time, we're traveling all the time, but remember there comes a period where they give you off. During that off, go do your things, go have fun, but remember ukuthi kumele ubuye in a good shape, ubuye, so that mawubuya we continue. One thing I enjoyed about Sundowns is you play a lot of games. When it comes international break, I don't think there's any team that will give you 1 week off, 7 days, go rest.
Yeah.
Have 7 days, guys, go rest. Go spend it with your families. Nibe mnandi. So that's one thing that we knew. We're banking on. If you're not going to the national team, we ask with 7 days. That's why sometimes you see some of these Sundowns players, they afford to go on mini holidays. Ubabona basema Sun City, basema Tanzania, Zanzibar.
Yeah.
International break, because that's when they give you time to say, hey, go wehlisa umoya kancane from ibhola,
yes.
distress
Urecharge
kancane.
nje,
Yeah,
yeah,
recharge
kancane.
kancane. And one thing I think I'd advise mfethu amachita is, I think one thing we struggle with tina amachita ibhola in South Africa is that we don't have stability mfethu, and stability a lot of the time stability come from women. Out engahlali nomuntu wakhe.
Bengiya la.
Yakutshela, it's a problem because you can receive call anytime, uphume uyojiva ubuye sasa mawubuya ngisho nakhona mawubuya kusasa uyashintsha uyavaya futhi the whole weekend, because uhlala you nobody's going to call you to order, you don't have anyone to report to. Where else mfethu mawuhlala emedi uyazi nawe angeke uvele uhambe the whole weekend ungazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, umfazi angazi ukuthi kuphi. So I think a lot of amachita need to consider that, because as much as ngamachita we like to have our own fun, our own time, but indlu enganamfazi mfethu akuna stability.
But
Most
I think
women bring stability. As gents, we might argue and fight about it, but iqiniso liyafuneka.
mara para babuye futhi
Bazokustressa
babuye manje masengathi career phela man, babuye abanye. We've seen a lot of divorces mfethu from our fellow colleagues mfethu. So
inkinga wena Jabu,
uyayibona ukuthi angiyiphikisi into ekhulumayo mdladlana iveli balulekile. Nami cabanga nami if azange ngitrobe mhlawumbe kube ngabhoda nokubhoda.
I can tell you.
No,
because
ngiyakutshela,
I remember now listening to one of your stories ukhuluma ushilo ukuthi if it wasn't for umfazi wakho mfethu, you don't know ukuthi you'd be where you are right now. Wakusiza kakhulu to come out of the whole boguyo, the dark place you boguyo. And not all of them bazokushiya ne, but depend ukuthi naye loyo umthole kuphi kanjani.
Ufuna ukusho kanjalo ukuthi yazi amachita ashawa yini. Ukhule ushimani from eKasi vela uJohn.
Exactly.
Yabona, so uyayibamba.
Eish.
So landa vele umntwana
Ufuna the topest.
Ufuna the topest.
Topest.
Ushiya lo wakho bekashaya isichiko. Yabona, ushiya lo wakho beningena lapha ka mabrara nishaya isichiko nge20 abe mnandi abe muhle abe pure nibe happy. So ufuna manje laba bama Brazilian, then uba nenkinga mdlali.
Ulanda Faith Nketsi.
Ufuna slay queen.
Ufuna slay queen wena mdladla. Uyabona manje I think na inkinga bafethu. Chubeka nemedia yakho asisho ukuthi mhlambe na imedia yakho if mhlambe izinto azisahambi kahle between I relationship yenu then niyavumelana amicable, but I think that is the reason ukuthi manje sengizobashaya manje. Yabona, so ubanana ukuthi labantwana sengizobashaya kanti mawukhulu uJona
Ujwayele le.
Yeah, then uphethe way yakho.
No injalo.
Laba slay queen ungabasneka nje mhlambe yabona. Bona ungaba yabona bona ungabasneka badlalelele kude. Ungabafaka endlini. Bona abasnekiwe vele yabona. Yatwa lapha nalapha twa. Yabona. But wena mdladla ngoba sesikhuluma ngayo le ntomdeni vele mdladla hey kumama please hey umama ngathi uyabona ke uyacorrupt manje
Upule
yeah ngithi upulelo uyacorrupt hayi mama hayi no siyazikhulumela nje bengithi nje twa kancane lapho nalapho no mdladla but vele wena personally sesizoyivala wena open mfethu what a great career and siyabonga mfethu ukuthi uthatha isikhathi sakho futhi again mfethu uzoshare nathi mfethu your football journey and your experience nje ye disc because kuningi mfethu it's not what people always see ukuthi hleli zikumnandi ngoba si driver amavurphana nani sometimes it can be stressful at discing like ama decision amanye athathwa uyabona ezinye indlela the way kwenzakala ngakhona na ku Pirates but angifuni ukudwela kakhulu ku Pirates but umama wena ne family structure mdlala bezibaluleke kanjani kuwe
ayizona bezibalekile mfowethu because I think ngithe way back 2012 so when all these things are happening la you going through a phase awudlali you know you stress and you if you're not careful you get deep into depression so yeah she played a massive role in keeping me grounded and level headed ukuthi hey things might not be going kahle espanini but remember we're here for you to support you and we believe you are not a bad player overnight just because abakudlalisi manje doesn't make you a bad player you know what you've achieved over the years so qhubeka uye emsebenzini do what you have to do but mawubuya we are here thina so kusupporta fully futhi no questions so for me that helped a lot especially the period when besing ku Sundowns because the last year ku Sundowns I barely even made the team so that period nje where you just it's difficult mfethu ukuvuka ekseni uye gymini when you know ukuthi uzojima but either way you're not in the team so uye wangitshela ukuthi hayi man wake up put your smile on hambe emsebenzini sebenza mawuqeda uphuma and people will say they don't understand how umuntu aba depressed anemali ahola it's not only about money at the end of the day guys ungaba nemali we've seen people banemali and they go and commit suicide because not everything is stress lethwa imali sometimes it's other factors you are not happy in an environment kodwa imali khona it doesn't change that you must be happy manje ngoba so nemali that same money you've been getting it but because the environment ayikho right and thina as abadlali bebhola mfethu the only thing that makes us happy is playing matches playing football that's all we know that's where we forget everything imagine now where you forget everything is where you're getting all the problems
utholi
nonsense so obviously it's difficult but no yena
no siyabonga mfethu
yeah no ifro ngibonga kakhulu because
siyabonga mfethu
yena ne first born yam they were there when I was going through a tough period when I was at Sundowns and you know they gave me a lot of strength to continue nonetheless
siyabonga mfethu ya indoda mfethu uMandoza washo the late wathi indoda wanamhlanje kusasa iphinde ivuke mfethu but mawuphethe I supporting structure mfethu that's very important yabona yeah no siyabonga mfethu kakhulu lastly mhlambe intwaneni sezizwakalayo obviously question eso amashow namashow they always ask this question advice and then and advice and the state of nje South African football as a whole ubona siyapi senza kuphi kahle kumele si improve kuphi
firstly the advice I'd give to intwana ezincane mfethu is they must not let fame get to their heads they must remember why bafuni ukudlala ibhola in the first place and to play football it's to be happy I don't think there's any sport ezingakwenza ube happy njengebhola mfethu because you do things grounding that give us so much excitement and to entertain so many people should give them that motivation and that courage to stay playing the game and bayehlise kancane ku-stoko because I
Yeah.
know mfethu istoko
blind.
siyasikhawatha because we live to please labantu laba
Eish.
that don't even matter when things don't go right. So
Eish. Nice.
ntwana ezincane dlala idiski, focus on football, focus on the books laba bayesigela and focus on the family that they have. It's not a crime ukuthi intwana encane na 20 21 thola girlfriend eyi-1 ifocus irelax abe uye umuntu ofocusa kuye because eventually angeke ubastophe ukuthi bangatholi abojerry bayobathola eventually. There's a stage where izothola umuntu so akathola ayi-1 afocuse kuye adlala ibhola, the rest is history. And in terms of ibhola idisk yethu mfethu, I think we've improved over the years and we have to give credit to Coach Pito.
Yeah. Yes.
That's one guy all the time when I see our level of football
Yeah.
like corner, I say,
Yeah.
let's give credit to Coach Pito because for him making all these teams take CAF football serious has improved now our national team because now Snama player are compete in CAF competitions, confederations, Champions League. When they get to that stage in national team, they don't get stage fright because they play that type of football, that type of level on a regular. So the football has improved, and with the introduction of VAR, hopefully very soon, it can even be better with the referees. And maybe if we can get a lot of teams with a lot of stability, this buying and selling. Now we have AM that puts the league into serious mess. That also can help, ukuthi umuntu mazothenga i-team bayenze sure ukuthi he's got the capability to run that team for longer
the next
period.
maybe 10 years or 20 years. Yeah, that's very true. Yeah.
So that we don't have such things happening because it damages our league if you look at it. So youngsters coming through, it's good. We're producing now to see Abu Raylen, Awonkota carrying Pirates going forward. It's encouraging because those days, when they turn professional at 17, 18, and they carry such big teams. So it's good to see youngsters coming through in big teams and, stepping up, not just coming and touch and go, but stepping and carrying the team going forward. So it's a lot of the youngsters, the center back also, Pirates, Mbogazi, it's good. Now the football is in good hands. Hopefully we can take it further from here. We need to be playing World Cup every time there's a World Cup. It would be nice.
Hayi siyabonga abafethu, siyabonga abafethu. Beautiful Aubrey knowledge. Hayi mfana.
Yeah, I'm impressed, mfana. Beautiful show, Aubrey. Thanks for coming, my brother.
Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu. Ma-GMDS amahle ngingakhohlwa sisayiphusha leyo campaign. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Diskishandis. Beautiful story bafethu nizwile. Noma uyintwana unabuma 21 or ini yekela istoko mfethu because uyophilela istoko and istoko masikuntswembu istoko siphuma kanje. So akusi crime ukuba nemedi 1 uyintwana focus esigela if uncanywa isigela or umnandi esigela unakekela umndeni wakho because labo ke bayokuthanda noma ungasena next labo uyabona bayokuthanda noma ungasena next. Beautiful advice from Aubrey Ngoma and siyabonga kakhulu mdladli ukuthi you've graced our studios and that was Jabu Mahlangu and Diskishandis shuffling Diski Ringers again bafethu nyafunda bafethu again. This show was brought to you by eBetJets. Click the link below to register and use code JABU11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet. JABU50 to get 50 free casino spins. link to register bafethu, Betjet, let's register bafethu. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis signing out. Danko,
It's a rap.
it's a wrap. Adios.
Danko.
Danko, James.